Hey everybody, Dr. D. I just wanted to reach out. Spring is here, although we're going to have a bit of a cold snap this weekend. So we're going to talk about some spring topics for a couple minutes, and I want to get some feedback from this video and this message, and tell me what you're doing. So we're going to talk about gardening. Like I said, I like to have a small garden every year. Last year I planted sugar snap peas, and they did really awesome. I did some blue mountain green beans or something, and they just gave me green beans like for 6 weeks. We were just getting tons of green beans. Planted lettuce from seeds and had a real good success with that. Recently, Robin was going across the internet and she saw where you could take your romaine lettuce that you buy from the store out of the produce section that you make your salad out of, and if you cut it down and leave a little bit of the stem right by that root part, you stick that in about an inch of water, and where it gets light, and the lettuce starts to root just like any plant would. And as soon as you get some little bitty roots coming off the bottom of those romaine lettuce hearts, you take those and you stick them right in the dirt, about an inch or two of soil, and pack them in. So we planted some red leaf lettuce, some curly leaf lettuce, some romaine lettuce in the garden. That was literally the salad we got from the local food store, and we just saved the little end and it did root. So it's pretty cool. I'll let you know if it lives and works. Of course, we got a frost coming in this weekend. It's crazy, 75 degrees today, and it'll be like 30 degrees on Saturday night or something, and 48 or 50 for the high on Sunday. Crazy. So we're going to have to cover that garden with some plastic to protect it from the frost. Those little plants are starting to come up. But if you could, on the bottom here, leave some comments. What are the garden seeds or the plants that you like to plant that are hardy and do well? If you're a fruit tree person, what fruit trees, what varieties of fruit trees are you planting on your property to give you cherries or peaches or persimmons or apples or whatever? Of course, we always try to get non-GMO plants in our yard, from the fruit trees to the vegetable garden. But if you're using a modern burpee seed that's a GMO plant and it just grows really well, you can share it with us. That's no problem. So again, this Dr. D, wondering what you're doing in your garden this year in 2020, since you've got a lot of time on your hands with the COVID quarantine. So everybody have a good night. I will talk to you another time, and we'll be chatting.